Now let's take a look at your institutional dashboard. I'm going to show you the Museum of Science Boston's dashboard as an example, but the data you see are Cove's aggregate data. I've simply turned off the filter that limits the dashboard to the Museum of Science only data for the purposes of this video. So you'll see at the top here that I'm in the Museum of Science dashboard, and I've also got 2 pages here, plus some permanent filters that we've set up for the Museum of Science. So page 1 is the institutional data summary. The first page has an overview of your institution's data. This page of your dashboard is almost exactly like looking at the Cove's data dashboard, but it shows your data only. If you have any institution-specific questions on your survey, or if you have had any temporary or traveling exhibitions, you'll see charts for those items on this dashboard. So just as an example, I'll scroll down to the Motivations and Visitation section we mentioned before. And this chart, showing what did they do during their visit, which applies only to the Museum of Science because these are just our experiences here. So we can look at what people who visited the Museum of Science did while they were visiting. And then as an example, if you happen to have any temporary or traveling exhibits, this is where you would see them. And again, these charts are separate because we want to be able to filter to make sure that we're only looking at visitors who came to the museum while that temporary exhibit was at the museum, instead of comparing it to permanent exhibitions or experiences that are there all the time. That way the percentage makes a lot more sense.